Alright, in this video we're going to answer the question how to determine if an object has an attribute. Now we're going to start with the most pythonic answer first. And that's always to try something and ask for forgiveness later. They really encourage you to surround things with try except. Just see if it has it or not and then get on with it. And so here I created a fruit. That fruit has two internal properties, color, quantity. So I create my banana. I have two yellow bananas, and I try to print the banana size, which it doesn't have a size, and I catch the attribute error and say, hey, I don't know about the size of the fruit. Of course, you could do something else in your production code. Now, if you don't like that, if that makes you feel a little weird or you need a little more control, has attribute, H-A-S-A-T-T-R. It's an abbreviation for has attribute, has you covered. So here I go, does the banana have color? And I check has attribute banana. You pass in the object and the property color. And then I check on size. It does have a color, doesn't have a size. So that's it. Two very straightforward ways to do this. Hope you learned something. Subscribe to this channel if you hadn't. Smash that like button so I can help more people. And I'll see you in the next video.